You can set up profiles within TouchChat to easily switch between two vocabulary files and/or settings at the touch of a button. A profile provides a snapshot of the current settings and vocabulary on the system, allowing them to be saved and easily accessed at a later time. Multiple profiles can be saved on a single device. There are several reasons why you might wish to create a profile. A few examples might be to adjust access settings throughout the day due to client fatigue, like going from touch access to head tracking. Or to transition between two different vocabulary file layouts, like WordPower 42 Basic to WordPower 60 Basic. Or for a speech-language pathologist to save settings for multiple clients or students' files. Let's set up a profile to toggle between two different vocabulary file layouts. Maybe we have a client going from WordPower 42 Basic to WordPower 60 Basic. This will allow them to use their old vocabulary file while learning to use the new, larger layout. Before creating a profile, make sure there is a copy of each vocabulary file available in the My Files section. We will start by saving the WordPower 42 Basic vocabulary to a profile. We first need to adjust all desired settings, such as timing, voice, style, and any access-related settings. Next, we will save these settings to a profile. You will see profiles at the top of the settings menu. Select Save Profile and enter a profile name for this vocabulary file. Then select Save at the top. Note that anytime you adjust these settings associated with this profile, you will need to resave the settings by following the same steps. After saving the profile, select Done at the top of the settings menu to return to the vocabulary home screen. Next, we go to the WordPower 60 Basic file and choose the appropriate settings for this file. Give the file a name, select Save, and then Done. We now have two profiles saved in TouchChat. One option for loading a profile is through the menu. This is a good option for communication partners to toggle between files, or if you want to be able to toggle from anywhere within the file. Select Load Profile. Choose the profile you want to use. That vocabulary file will open and is ready to start communicating with the assigned settings in place.
I have fun.
Another option to load a profile is to program a button within the vocabulary file to use to toggle to the other vocabulary file. There's a blank button on the My Device page that we can use for this. Go to Menu, then Edit Page. Select an empty button, then edit this button. Give the button a label and a message if you want it to speak. Select an image if you would like one. You can also change the background color of the button to make it stand out for the AAC user. Scroll down to the button actions and select Speech Message to change the action. Find Select Profile in the button action list and select it. Choose the profile you want to go to. Select Save and then Done. When the button is selected, it will toggle to the vocabulary file associated with this profile. Follow the same steps in this vocabulary file to be able to toggle back to the original vocabulary file. Continue learning about your TouchChat app on the TouchChat website at touchchatapp.com. You'll find instructor-led live classes and self-paced e-learning courses to help you learn about the TouchChat app and vocabulary files and how to implement them at aaclearningjourney.com.